Army officials said that Army Chief General Manoj Pandey will be visiting Manipur today to review the security situation in view of the recent violence there. They said that the Army Chief would be briefed by the Eastern Command officials on the measures taken to bring the situation under control. Meanwhile, the Indian Army and Assam Rifles have stepped up security across Manipur amid the reports of fresh violence in the state. The army said that both the security teams in Imphal East and Churchandpur prevented the firing incidents between the two communities, where some armed men opened fire and ran towards higher reaches. However, there were no reports of casualties and further operations were underway. A week after taking over, the Congress government led by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah carried out the cabinet expansion by inducting 24 legislators inside the Raj Bhavan in Bengaluru today. The Karnataka government can have 34 ministers, 10 of them including Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his deputy D.K. Shivakumar were sworn in on May 20th. The list of MLAs who took oath on Saturday includes Dinesh Gundu Rao, Krishna Bayer Goda, Ishwar Khandre, Rahim Khan, Santosh Lad, K.N. Rajana, K. Venkatesh, H.C. Mahadevappa, Bairathi Suresh, Shivaraj Tangadi, R.B. Timpur, B. Nagendra, Lakshmi Hebbalkar, Madhu Bangarappa, D. Sudhakar, Chelu Varayaswamy, Mankul Vaidya and M.C. Sudhakar. Delhi woke up to heavy rain and gusty winds this morning. The downpour impacted flights and uprooted trees in the city. Waterlogging was witnessed in several parts of Delhi after the rainfall. A thunderstorm forecast was issued this morning for the national capital and nearby areas including Noida and Ghaziabad. The weather office had earlier predicted rain till Tuesday. Indian Meteorological Department tweeted that a cluster of cloud patches were passing through the Delhi NCR. Flight operations at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport were affected on Saturday due to heavy rain and inclement weather. The airport authorities have advised the people to contact the airlines for getting updated flight information. Indian yoga guru Ramdev has come out in open support of wrestlers protesting at Jantar Mantar for several weeks. He did not hold back by lashing out at Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, saying that the Wrestling Federation chief must be put behind bars. Ramdev said, and I quote, "The allegations of harassment levelled at the Wrestling Federation chief and for the wrestlers of the country to sit in protest at the Jantar Mantar is extremely shameful. Such people should immediately be arrested and put behind bars. He spews nonsense every day about mothers, sisters and daughters. This is an extremely condemnable evil act," he said. Ramdev made the statement in Rajasthan's Bhilwara when he was attending a 3-day Yog Shivir.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.